Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I thought I would show you what's in my makeup mini fridge. So if you'd like to see it, just keep watching. Okay, so if you watched my what I got for Christmas video, then you saw that I got a makeup mini fridge. This is what it looks like. It just has a mirror here, and it lights up. And so when I open it, this is what's inside. I've got a bunch of sheet masks up top. I'll pull them out. I have this blueberry one, this instant hydration one, this instant lift and firm, a Hawaiian detox sheet mask. I have 2 of those. A yes to grapefruit, and another yes to grapefruit mask. And then in the bottom part, I have the Physicians Formula Skin Boost Stepped Vitamin Shot, this Cantaloupia, I don't know how to pronounce that, facial hydration oil, the Kate Berkey Vitamin C Intensify Face Cream, the e.l.f. Hydration Face Cream, and then 2 Glossier face masks. So that is it for what is in my makeup mini fridge. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.
Taking a chance.